Please, Kenem White here. Today's video is a usability testing report on my personal project, Charlie Academy, which is to help human resource teams expand their capabilities. Executive summary: the usability test evaluated platform's ease of use, focusing on the navigation and course and learning path completion. Overall, we concluded that Charlie Academy is ready for development, but further investigation is needed to assess its current market user need/fit. What is Charlie Academy? It is a customer training platform with free learning paths, videos, courses, and live training, which seeks to empower users on how to use the platform, save time, being more productive for themselves and their business. Our research methodology was based on a only role-based persona of our founder, who is overwhelmed, named Bishal. He's a 29-year-old newly founder at his newly formed startup. His situation that he was overwhelmed by the demands of running the business. He's seeking help, so he's enrolled in a curated learning experience that provides him with the skills and knowledge he needs to succeed. The obstacles he faces is that he's just too busy working on other aspects of his business. He's loaded with irrelevant content and would like to utilize the platform with speed and efficiency so that he can save time, grow his business, and increase output and productivity. We used usability testing, which was to observe and gain qualitative and quantitative feedback from a mix of moderated and remote unmoderated testing. We used online surveys, which were a set of questions asked to a sample representative of users to gain valuable insights. We, the platforms chosen were Maze and UX Tweak. Reason being is with starter plans had limited scope in what we're able to do and the amount of detail that we're able to glean and kind of need to make a good decision. Our key tasks. Task one was navigating from Charlie HR to Charlie Academy. The goal was to identify any usability issues when users attempted to navigate from Charlie HR's current dashboard to the new Charlie Academy platform. This is crucial because the transition between these services should be seamless to ensure a smooth user experience. Participants were asked to find and access Charlie Academy from within the current dashboard. They were not given explicit instructions on where to look and tried to locate the navigational options themselves. Task 2, which is similar to Task 3, was to complete their first course and/or learning path with Charlie Academy. The purpose of those tasks was to evaluate the user experience of completing a journey on Charlie Academy after registering an account. Participants were asked to complete their first course or learning path after registering an account. This task simulated a common user scenario of logging in for the first time, selecting a course and/or learning path, and progressing through it to completion. So here's what we learned. Out of 3 respondents that actually completed this usability test, we saw an average 3.3 rating with difficulty in navigating to Charlie Academy. We actually had 0 direct successes, but only indirect successes with 1 minor issue, again, limited in flexibility in Maze's free services or free plan. Average duration time on task was 2 minutes 18 seconds. For further context, we tested with representational users who are not familiar with Charlie HR's current dashboard, which meant they had to take some extra time. Again, going back to the user persona aligns with what we wanted to find and who we wanted to test with. 100% of respondents agreed that the Academy icon, which you see in the middle, made sense and was fit for purpose. They didn't provide any other options for icon. Respondents found the banner to be plain but simple, but not as intuitive. That would be seen as an option to navigate to Charlie Academy. This could mean that the users view this more of an announcement of what's new rather than something that they can actually click. Task 2 found a 100% success rate with an average duration of 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 66% of respondents for Task 2 found a clear distinction between content types, those being learning path, courses, tutorials, and live training. One user mentioned to change the color of the course course background from gray to a more vibrant color to match the current theme. So on task 2, this is the course overview page. Users found it simple, easy to follow with a clear structure. However, they felt it was a lot of text and it made the page feel heavy. Among some other insights, all participants found the project progress indicators within the course to be helpful. Task 3 found an average 5 out of 5 user satisfaction scale, 100% indirect success rate with one minor issue. Again, limited scope in platforms and plans. Average time on task was 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Now, task 3, users found the layout easy to process and understand, but unsure whether it was a multi-select quiz. And what you're looking at on screen is the quiz portion of the learning path. Now onto the PDF export. One user commented they personally did not find it very useful. An on-site review upon completion would be preferred. That participant scored a 3 out of 5 on the Likert scale. One user found it very useful and scored a 4 out of 5 on the Likert scale. Breaking it down, based on the insights, we find that users navigating to Charlie Academy to have some friction, which needs addressing as it's a current usability issue. Users found Charlie Academy's experience intuitive and simple. Charlie Academy's PDF export is redundant. Based on this, we feel with a round of iteration and testing, we can progress Charlie Academy into development and product launch. Just to reiterate, we tested with only 4 users. Cases for improvement. Case 1 is to reevaluate the necessity of the PDF export feature. Consider removing the download feature to simplify the UI, or if kept, clarify its use case. Initially, this feature was added to align with similar services, but user feedback suggests it may not be necessary. Case 2 is to maintain simplicity. A good service requires no prior knowledge to use. The current design and task flows are effective, which we should maintain keeping things simple and intuitive for users. Uh, Case 3 is to address specific user pain points, review the steps where users struggled in task 1, which was again navigating, and identify potential areas for iteration and improvement, such as improving the findability of navigating to Charlie Academy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time. I really do appreciate you viewing this presentation. My name is Kenem White.